गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। हम लोग आज केमिस्ट्री चैप्टर एटम एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स में मॉलिक्यूलर मास फाइंड करेंगे। मॉलिक्यूलर इज फॉर्म बाय द मोर ऑफ टू एटम्स एट डिफरेंट एटम्स एलिमेंट्स। फॉर सबसे पहले हम क्लियर करेंगे टाइप ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स। टाइप ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स। Type of molecules. So type of molecules, two types. First, molecules of elements. Molecules of elements. And second, molecules of compound. For example, molecules of elements formed by the same elements. For example, O2, N2. Molecules of compound formed by two or more elements and different elements formed by, for example, more H2O, CO2, NH3, etc. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हमारा होगा फाइंड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फाइंड मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन O2। सबसे पहले हम मॉलिक्यूलर मास O2 जैसे ही फाइंड करेंगे तो यहां नोट करेंगे 2 इंटू एटॉमिक मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन। सो एटॉमिक मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज इक्वल टू 16। सो 2 इंटू 16 इज इक्वल टू 32 यूनिट। यू विल गेट द आंसर। नेक्स्ट हम फाइंड करेंगे फाइंड मॉलिक्यूलर मास of nitrogen. So molecular mass of nitrogen is equal to N2, 2 into atomic mass of nitrogen. Atomic mass of nitrogen is equal to 14. Nitrogen atomic number 7 and atomic mass is nitrogen is 14 into 2 into 14 is equal to 28 unit. You will get this. Next, find molecular mass of carbon dioxide CO2. Molecular mass of CO2 or carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide implies that atomic mass of carbon. So atomic mass of carbon is equal to 12 plus atomic mass of oxygen and 2. So 2 multiply atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16. Atomic mass of oxygen equal to 16 and atomic number of oxygen equal to 8. So 16 into 2 unit. Overall unit. Now we calculate 12 plus 32 unit is equal to implies that 44 unit. You will get the answer. Next, मीथेन। नेक्स्ट हमारा केमिकल फार्मूला मीथेन CH4. It is a molecules and find the molecular mass of methane. So CH4. So molecular mass of atomic mass of carbon 12 is equal to 12 plus atomic mass of hydrogen and atomic mass of hydrogen equal to 1 and 4 atoms of hydrogen. So 4 into 1 unit. is equal to 12 plus 4 is equal to 16 unit. You will get the answer. Next, ethane. Second, ethane C2H6. So molecules of ethane and find the molecular mass of ethane C2H6. The chemical formula is C2H6. C2H6. Atomic mass of carbon and 2 atom of carbon. So 2 into atomic mass of carbon. So is equal to 2 into 12 plus 6 into atomic mass of hydrogen. So 6 into atomic mass of hydrogen 1. So 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Overall 24 plus unit. 24 plus 6 is equal to 30 unit. So 30 unit, you will get the answer. Next, ammonia. So chemical formula NH3. Chemical formula of ammonia NH3. NH3. Third, ammonia NH3. Molecular mass NH3. So atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 is equal to 14 plus 3 into 1 unit is equal to 14 plus 3 17 unit. Molecular mass of ammonia is equal to 17 unit. Okay, find the molecular mass of glucose and sulfuric acid. So chemical formula of glucose C6H12O6 and sulfuric acid of chemical formula H2SO4. So molecules of glucose and molecules of sulfuric acid, and find the molecular mass of sulfuric acid and glucose. The help of the atomic mass of carbon atom, hydrogen atom and oxygen atoms, and atomic mass of hydrogen and sulfur and oxygen. Find molecular mass. So molecular mass of C6H12O6 is equal to atomic mass of carbon into 6. So 6 into atomic mass of carbon is equal to 12 plus atomic mass of hydrogen into 12. So atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1. So 12 into 1 plus atomic mass of oxygen. So atomic mass of oxygen equal to 60. 6 into 60 overall unit. Now we calculate. 12 6 is 72 plus 12 plus 96 unit. Molecular mass of C6 glucose C6H12O6. Molecular mass of glucose is equal to 9 to 6 to 8, 8 to 10. Carry 1, 9, 1, 10, 10 and 7, 17 on 1, 118 unit. You will get the answer. So molecular mass of glucose C6H12O6 is equal to 180 unit. Next topic, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. Molecular mass of sulfuric acid H2SO4. So is equal to atomic mass of hydrogen into 2. So 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen 1 plus atomic mass of sulfur. So atomic mass of sulfur is equal to 32 atomic number of sulfur is 16 and atomic mass of sulfur is 32. So 32 plus atomic mass of oxygen is 16 and 4 atoms is 4 into 16 unit. Total overall unit is equal to 2 plus 32 plus 64. 16 for just 64 unit is equal to 4 to 6 to 8 and 639 overall 98 unit. You will get the answer. Molecular mass of H2SO4 is equal to 98 unit. Thank you for better of next class.